Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, friends. My name is Muhammad Akbar from Jenny Cafe. Today, I want to present my IT project. And today, in this presentation, I will discuss discuss more, namely to 3D design, what is like to be my IT learning progress is like. For the objective, this is as my requirement for the SKL, which is my third stage of English lesson. And also, I want to do this presentation as my evaluation that my IT learning has reached where it's so that I don't miss the IT learning chart. The first, the material 3D design. What is 3D design? 3D design is the process of using specialized software to create digital three-dimensional models of projects, characters, or environments, and defined by three primary axes: length, width, and depth. Unlike 2D design, which operates solely on flat plane, 3D design empowers creators to build photorealistic and immersive digital representation, and making objects like this appears as thought they truly exist in the physical world, with the ability to simulate, visualize, and manipulate object, uh, objects from any angle. And in this technology that has what is it called? Revolutionized the way humans oh, conceptualize and communicate complex ideas. A product can be rotated full 360 degrees, examine it from every per perspective, yes, and virtually tested before physical production begins, and also saving significant time and cost throughout from the development process. Although, for the theory, the design is the process of creating visual models of object or environment with depth, height, and using specialized softwares. Almost the same as the first material. In basic 3D, there's in 3D design, there's basic 3D concepts and manufacturing process, or in other words, uh, workflow. The first one, the basic 3D concept, there's a based on the mathematical representation of objects in virtual space. The basic elements consist of uh, what is which is what? What's it say? Fertile edges and face slash polygons that form a mesh. And for the workflow, there's a there's four types of workflow. First one, we got modeling, the process of creating the basic shape of an object, like like. And then the second one, we got texturing or mapping, or it's it's adding materials, colors, and texture to provide surface detail. And then the third one, we got lighting, setting up a visual lighting to create realistic shadows and atmospheres. And the last one, we got rendering, the process of converting 3D data into a final 2D image or video. Next one, we got key element, function, and modeling type. The first one, the key element, in addition to form 3D design, relies heavily on perspective, lighting, and materials to achieve realism. Yes, or realism. Sorry, realism. And then the function of 3D design is used for product prototypes, art, architect, architectural visualization, and assets, and film visual effect and 3D printing. And then the last one for the modeling type, it's generally used for polygonal modeling of polygons or sculpting or sculpting. or in other word, digital curving. This is all the tools that I use for learning 3D design. We got Blender and Pinterest. What is Blender? Blender is a free and open source 3D software for developed by the Blender Foundation. I use this platform because as my primary tool, because as a beginner, Blender is the perfect starting point. Starting point because it completely free and offers a full set of professional grade features within a single platform without any subscriptions. Through Blender, I'm able to learn the fundamental of 3D modeling and understand how lighting and materials work, and explore the basics of animation and rendering. It's a large online community, and abundance of free tutorials also make the learning process much more accessible and enjoyable. The second one, Pinterest. What is Pinterest? Pinterest is just a basic visual based social media platform that allows users to discover or save and share ideas in the form of image or videos done as pins. I use Pinterest as my inspiration source, where I discover new ideas to explore the latest 3D design or other design like illustration and other stuff. And I can save, and if I find something that's good, I can save it visual reference that guide and influence my creative process in Blender. And then from stunning 3D renders to creative lighting setups and in unique modeling styles, Pinterest helps me build a strong visual library that keeps me motivated and continuously push the direction of my work forward. And this is are some of my creations. The first one, we got an old school TV box. It have the antenna on it with the retro classic rainbow screen. And then the second one, we got a widening tablet, just basic. And then the third one, we got like a flash disk, or like a normal USB, yeah, flash drive, or like a normal USB thumb drive. This is my other one. We got a lamp, a desk lamp, and then the what? Yeah, we can also set a table lamp, and then the last one, we got a digital clock, like an alarm clock for, yeah, gitu. And I think that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless your eternity. Billahi taufiq walidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.